Assalamualaikum. Hello teacher. Good morning. My name is Aime Kaisha Wijaya. You can call me Aime. I was born in Jakarta on June 18, 2012. My hobbies are drawing, painting, and reading. This time, I will tell you about my dream and how I will achieve it. My dream is to become an artist in the future. The reason I want to be an artist is I love and enjoy drawing, painting, and enjoy making anime pictures. In the future, I will create beautiful artworks that tell stories and express emotion. I believe art will help me share my thoughts with the world. My plans are I will study art in school and join art clubs. I will practice every day to improve my skill. I will visit museum and learn from famous artists. My goals, I will become a professional artist. I will open my own art gallery. I will inspire young people to follow their dreams. Being an artist is my dream. I will work hard and never give up. One day, inshallah, I will be a successful artist and make my dream come true. Please wish me the best luck for my dream future. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.